Hello everyone, we cordially welcome you all in our channel, I Insist. My name is Matri Lakshora, the investor in stock market. So, in this first video of our channel, I am going to take you towards gateway of wealth. Yes, you heard exactly right. Today, I am going to tell you about the second best source of income you can earn. In this modern era, everyone can earn their living, but the standard living होती है जो क्वालिटी लाइफ होती है वो जीने के लिए कुछ तो अलग करना पड़ता है. So there's a straight way towards quality life, that is stock market. Oh, stock market, gambling game, सट्टेबाजी भाई, सुना तो होगा ही. Many people say that stock market is a gambling game. So is it really a gambling game? Answer is definitely no. If you go through proper technical studies and fundamental studies, then you come to know about that stock market is not a gambling game. It is a mind game of money, जहां आपको खुद का माइंड यूज करना पड़ता है and of course अपने ब्रोकर का नहीं. So here is some quick sneak peek of some questions which you are able to answer after watching this video. First question is, what is share and share market? Second question is share market risky? Third question is myths related to share market. Fourth question is, can you also become a billionaire from share market? And fifth question is, why many people fail in stock market? So let's get started. First question arises that what is share and share market? So what is share? It is not like that which you buy from physical market, like snacks, kapde, shoes, etc. It is not like that. It is that which represents your ownership of the company from where you bought it. Normal life में आप शेयर से क्या समझते हैं? कोई भी चीज है तो वो शेयर्स में बांट दी जाती है. So actually what it represents? Ownership. What it representing? Ownership. Now question arises, what is share market? Let's have an example to understand this. ABC Limited is a telecom company. He's doing very well in the market. Now he thinks of expanding his business. What he needs? Money. So for arranging money, he basically have two options. First one is he can go to the bank and arrange loan. And second option is he can issue his company shares to general public. Well, this is not that much easy. Your company must be listed in stock exchange and you need to have complete some formalities related. Well, don't get panic that what is stock exchange, procedures, etc. I will explain you each and everything in our next video. In this video, I am explaining you all everything in just a simpler form. So, company issued his shares to general public. So, those investors who want to buy those shares will come in that market. And if they think that they had earned enough profit from that share, they will further sell it to another investor. So what is actually happening? Ownership is transferring between investor to investor. So this is stock market. Let's move to the myths related to stock market. Basically, there are 3 to 4 myths related to stock market. First myth is investment in stock market is very risky. There's a quote of famous investor Warren Buffett. Risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. रिस्क कहाँ कर होता है? जहां आपको पता ही नहीं कि आपको आगे करना क्या है, देन ऑटोमेटिकली वहां रिस्क क्रिएट हो जाता है. वेल, टू सम एक्सटेंट दिस मिथ इज राइट. आई एम नॉट कंप्लीटली डिनाइंग इट. इन द शॉर्ट रन, रिस्क समटाइम्स क्रिएट. If you are not analyzing the shares of the company properly, fundamentally, technically, then risk creates. But if you go for a long run investment, then definitely you are not going to fail in it. Clear with this myth? Convinced? Let's move towards the second myth. Second myth is you need to have very strong financial knowledge and a very high IQ to invest in stock market. Let me tell you something. Everyone know about Warren Buffett? If not, then you must know about him. He is world's third richest person. I know the book he has written that I regret that I invested in stock market at a very late age. And if I'm not mistaken, he started investing in stock market at the age of 11 or 12. अपने वहां इंडिया में 13 साल का बच्चा ये देखता है कि कौन सी प्लेट में मैगी ज्यादा है. Well, it's very shocking. तो 11 और 12 की एज में डेफिनेटली उनके पास कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग फाइनेंशियल नॉलेज नहीं होगी. उन्होंने बस प्रॉपरली, टेक्निकली, फंडामेंटली शेयर को एनालाइज किया होगा एंड ही इन्वेस्टेड. एंड टुडे I'm again repeating that today he is third richest person of the world. Cleared with the second myth? Okay, let's move to the third myth. Small investors like retail investors need to have a very lots of money to invest in stock market. Well, if you invest in stock market, आपको पता चलेगा कि वहां पर को 2 रुपीज का भी शेयर अवेलेबल है, to the extent of about 60,000 rupees shares. सो जरूरी नहीं कि आपके पास हजारों रुपए हो, आपके पास जस्ट 2 रुपीज हैं और आप शेयर में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. बी अ रिस्क टेकर, ओनली देन यू विल बिकम अ डायमंड टेकर. राकेश झुनझुनवाला, नाम तो सुना ही होगा. इंडिया का वॉरेन बफेट कहते हैं उन्हें. अगर उन्होंने भी स्टार्टिंग में यही सोचा होता कि नहीं, मुझे अपना पैसा सिक्योर रखना है, सेव रखना है, रिस्क तो लेना ही नहीं है मुझे, तो क्या वो आज बिलियनर होते? ऑफ कोर्स नहीं. सो वी हैव टू टेक रिस्क. Convinced with this myth? Okay. Towards why many people fail in India in stock market. Let me tell you one data. In India, only about 4% of the total population people invest in stock market. And in USA, 50% of the total population, just half population invest in stock market. In India, why only 4%? So here are some reasons. First reason is, in India, people are not risk taker. They're like, oh, stock market, so risky. And second reason is, they don't have proper knowledge about stock market. Third reason is, they are blindly following the words of other people. That's the third reason. Fourth reason is, you are blindly following the words of your broker. वैसे ये basic information आपको आपका broker नहीं देगा, because if he will give you this basic information, then you are going to invest in stock market by your own without his help. फिर उसका commission कहाँ से आएगा? Well, I strongly suggest you that once go through a stock market and invest in it. So in this first video, I hope you get exactly that what you are searching for. But first, did you enjoy this video? Our next video is on its way to help you with your knowledge. Thank you.